Welcome to the world of sustainable seafood. Today, we'll explore the importance of making eco-conscious choices and how it can positively impact our oceans. Our oceans face numerous challenges. Overfishing, bycatch, and habitat destruction are threatening marine life. It's time to take action and protect our oceans. Identifying sustainable seafood is crucial. Look for labels like MSC, ASC, or the blue fish with a checkmark. Let's make informed choices for a healthier ocean. Cooking sustainable seafood is a delight. Try grilled sardines or Alaskan salmon fillet. You'll be amazed by the delicious flavors that don't compromise on sustainability. Support marine conservation efforts by joining organizations like Oceana, the Nature Conservancy, and the Ocean Cleanup. Together, we can protect our oceans for future generations. We all have a role to play in creating a sustainable future. Reduce waste, say no to single-use plastics, and make small changes that make a big difference. In conclusion, sustainable seafood is not only good for our planet but also for our taste buds. Let's make eco-conscious choices and support a healthier ocean.